Have you been searching to find something fun, safe, exciting, and interesting to do in these crazy times? Come get away from it all for a few hours while relaxing or partying on a large, comfortable, private yacht. We take you sailing. Let us take you, your friends, and family on the water where you can relax, eat, drink, sightsee, watch for dolphins, or party. Get away from your troubles for a day with your loved ones. We go above and beyond expectations to provide a customized, unforgettable experience. You deserve a break from the humdrum, boring, same-old entertainment. Do something different, memorable, and fun. Surprise your loved ones for birthdays, anniversaries, proposals, and more. Let us take you on a mini vacation of a lifetime on a beautiful yacht while gliding past scenic waterfront homes. Listen or dance to your favorite music. We whisk you away from the worries of life to a world of nature, beauty, relaxation, and fun. Have you ever dreamed of buying a boat, moving on board, and sailing away to paradise? Do you want to see if this is a lifestyle you would love? Our captains have done that and can answer your questions and help you plan your escape. We go above and beyond to customize the trip to fit your specific needs and wants, to give you an unforgettable experience that exceeds expectations. Just check our reviews. We specialize in providing truly customizable experiences on the beautiful waterways of the Treasure Coast and beyond. Stuart Sailing provides a venue for creating lifelong memories with your friends and loved ones. For more information or to schedule the sail of a lifetime, check out our website, www.stuartsailing.com, or call Aaron at 561-801-0080.